We are here at Forever Wild Trails in Dothan, Alabama. Getting started, we don't really know what to expect, so this is our first time on the bike since we've left home. Got through that tire issue, have had some nice relaxing times, some great meals that we've cooked outside. Yeah, looking forward to it. It's a beautiful day, blue skies, it's gorgeous out, probably around 70
degrees.
70
Yep, just
degrees.
check the weather.
Yep. No chance of rain. We're super stoked. And that's it.
This is the parking lot. Really nice big space. They have 2 porta potties and a changing area, as well as a bike equipment and air in case you need it.
Just want to explain and ask for your forgiveness. We got to this place and all my GoPro batteries were dead, and so on this video we only have these phone images. So my apologies. The trails in Dothan were super flowy and fun and smooth. We really did enjoy it. This video does not represent it well. Although these incredible wooden structures, they were like bridges for lack of a better term, and they crossed some creeks and we saw turtles and things. It was really an enjoyable day, and this just doesn't represent it very well. So you can look forward to much better work in the future.